The sound that sets the tone for your long, binge worthy entertainment sessions. Be it movies, shows, documentaries, original productions, or anime. The list just goes on. This OTT giant has it all for you. Yes, we are talking about none other than the pioneer of streaming services and the indisputable Netflix. Hi everyone, thanks for joining us on another podcast episode by Upshot.ai. I'm your host Likita, and today we have our favorite Kaustav Dwivedi, an expert marketer who loves to break down top customer engagement strategies for you all. Welcome to the show, Kaustav.
Hey, thanks, Likita.
Netflix has not just entered our lives but has become a part of our daily routines. What do you say, Kaustav?
I know, right? It's like the starting bell for binge watching marathons.
So Netflix has this massive global presence, but for the most part, I thought it was just their fantastic content strategy. But I realized it's actually their marketing game that's really intriguing. Kaustav, what's your take on this?
Oh, their marketing is just brilliant, Likita. Netflix has nailed this combo of understanding what viewers want before they do and wrapping it in the coolest, most personalized package. From DVDs to dominating the streaming world, they have always been ahead of the curve.
Right. So speaking of personalization, Kaustav, it feels like Netflix knows me better than I know myself sometimes.
For sure.
It just gets me hooked every time. There's a match percentage, top picks, and like a whole page of what I'd love to watch. How big of a deal is this for them?
Oh, it's huge, Likita. It's like having a friend who knows your taste in movies and like shows. This friend just happens to be an algorithm that nails your next binge watch every single time. And that consistency is in their brand voice. So I think it's spot on.
Absolutely, Kaustav. And their minimalistic yet catchy design, the red and black color scheme, the letter N, it just so sleek, modern, and screams Netflix.
Absolutely. Like the Tudum as well.
I know, right? Now let's get to the fun part, Kaustav, which is memes. I absolutely love it and think it's super cool and engaging. What do you think about it?
I think it's genius, Likita. Memes are the language of the internet right now, and I feel Netflix is extremely fluent in it. They've turned marketing into entertainment, making their content viral not just on screens, but in like conversational tweets and shares. It's basically marketing without the marketing feel,
Right. Yeah, I get what you mean. It's like an ongoing conversation with inside jokes, behind the scenes, and such interactive stuff. I must say, they have mastered the art of staying relevant and also very, very relatable.
And it's not just about being funny, it's like kind of strategic as well. Memes make Netflix accessible, breaking down the wall between the company and the consumer. It's like they're saying, we get you, and we love them for it.
Right. They've turned watching TV into something we all want to be a part of, like a community.
Yeah.
And one of their initiatives that really caught my attention, and of course of others too, is the Black Mirror's Bandersnatch episode.
Oh, of course.
They just took things to a whole new level with that, isn't it?
Absolutely, Likita. It wasn't just watching, it was particularly making choices that steer the story, right? Like, that's actually groundbreaking. It shows Netflix isn't just about consuming content, it's kind of about experiencing it as well.
So true, Kaustav. It's incredible how they keep pushing their envelope. It's smart, interactive, and engaging at the same time. It just keeps us coming back for more.
I think that's the magic of Netflix, Likita. They've built a brand that's not just seen or heard, but actually lived. And that's something all businesses can actually learn from. That is to become a part of the audience's life and not just a choice on the screen.
Wow, well said, Kaustav. Netflix's journey from mail order DVDs to a global entertainment powerhouse is a masterclass in marketing, I must say,
Sure.
innovative and community building as well. Thanks for breaking down their marketing strategy for our listeners, Kaustav.
Hey, thanks for having me, Likita. It's been a blast talking about Netflix and the lessons kind of it offers. So thanks for having me again.
Great. And that's a wrap for today. Keep exploring the digital landscape with us and tune in next time for more deep dives into the world of technology and digital culture. I'm Likita. Until next time, cheers.
Cheers.